Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Gemini crypto trading application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Gemini Exchange and begin your search. Once you find the Gemini Exchange and crypto trading app, you can just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of this application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on to open up the app. And now you can start using the Gemini crypto trading app on your device right away. Proceed with signing in to your existing account or create a new one and you are all set to go. And that is how easy it is to download and install the Gemini crypto trading app on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.